Alright guys, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick review on my indoor outdoor Blink camera mounts. So it's these right here, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. It's a 3-pack and they look like this. And here's what's really cool. So like I said, they're indoor and outdoor, but the cool thing is if you use them like indoor, like if you have small like little ones, it's always hard to find like a good spot for the camera, right? So with these, so watch, you attach this piece that you get right here on here, it just screws on. And this part expands, so you're literally able to hook this up to like usually we'll hook it up to like the bottom of our desk here. Again, it just gives a perfect view of usually where they're playing, or just like in the non-common spots that you normally have your camera, just because your little ones can move and stuff like that. So once you have it all hooked up like this, it literally just snaps into place like this, and it's literally good to go. So if you're a fan of Blink cameras like me, like I said, sometimes like unless you have it like somewhere random, it's hard to get like a good view, right? You want to make sure everybody's safe. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it on here so you kind of see what it looks like once it's on there, okay? All right, and once you have them tied to wherever you like, you see you can get like positions where you normally couldn't get the camera, right? Holds it really sturdy on here. Again, really good camera mounts. One that I highly recommend, 10 out of 10.